inside the world's most advanced helicopter factory.
From raw metal to flying machine.
The process begins as trucks deliver aerospace-grade aluminum and components to the manufacturing facility. Every material is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the strict safety standards required for aviation. Precision cutting machines now shape the raw metal into the first parts of the helicopter structure. Laser cutters slice aluminum sheets with incredible accuracy, creating panels for the aircraft body. Powerful hydraulic presses bend the metal into curved shapes that will form the helicopter fuselage. Robotic drilling systems create perfectly aligned holes needed for thousands of bolts and fasteners. Finished parts move along conveyor systems, heading toward the main assembly area. Robotic welding machines fuse metal components together, forming the strong internal frame. Engineers assemble the main fuselage structure, the backbone of the helicopter. Large side panels are attached, slowly shaping the recognizable body of the aircraft. Inside the structure, support beams strengthen the cabin and prepare it for heavy loads. Next, the long tail boom is carefully aligned and connected to the main body. With the main structure complete, technicians secure the final bolts of the helicopter frame.
Looks perfect. The frame is ready.
Inside the cabin, workers install reinforced flooring and structural supports. Landing skid support frames are positioned beneath the aircraft for stability on the ground. The curved landing skids are secured, allowing the helicopter to stand on its own. Attention now turns to the cockpit, where the windshield frame is installed. Technicians carefully seal the cockpit glass, ensuring perfect visibility and safety. Pilot seats are mounted into position, forming the command center of the aircraft. Control sticks and pedals are installed, allowing pilots to guide the helicopter through the sky. The overhead control panel is added, packed with critical switches and flight systems. Sound and thermal insulation is installed inside the cabin walls. Interior wall panels are attached, shaping the passenger cabin. Technicians begin installing powerful turbine engines that will power the aircraft. Using overhead cranes, the heavy engines are carefully lowered into position. Fuel lines and hydraulic systems are connected throughout the aircraft. Miles of electrical wiring are installed to power advanced avionics systems. Cockpit displays and flight instruments are installed for navigation and control. Next comes the transmission gearbox, which transfers engine power to the rotor system. Massive components are lifted into place using powerful overhead cranes. Technicians secure the transmission to the helicopter frame. Drive shafts connect the engines to the rotor transmission system. Hydraulic systems are installed to control the aircraft's movement.
Pressure on line 3. Reading up.
Large aviation fuel tanks are mounted securely inside the aircraft. Fuel lines connect the tanks to the engines for reliable power delivery. Electronic avionics systems are installed for communication and navigation. Cockpit displays light up as engineers test the systems. Technicians carefully inspect every internal system before continuing. Now the massive rotor mast, the heart of the helicopter, is prepared.
Almost there.
Engineers carefully lower it into the transmission
Just
system.
a bit more to the left. Alignment looks good. Torque it to spec.
The rotor hub is attached, allowing the blades to spin. Rotor blade grips are mounted around the central hub. Huge composite rotor blades arrive in the assembly area. The first rotor blade is carefully attached to the hub. Additional blades are installed, extending the helicopter's wings.
Almost done with
all
this
blades
section.
mounted, the rotor system takes its final shape.
Just a few more adjustments.
Engineers balance the rotor system to ensure smooth flight. The swash plate mechanism is installed to control rotor movement. Control rods connect the swash plate to the rotor blades. Protective covers are installed around the rotor base. Technicians manually rotate the rotor to test its movement. The completed rotor system stands ready above the helicopter. Final exterior panels are installed along the aircraft body. Navigation lights are mounted to guide the helicopter in flight. Communication antennas are installed on the helicopter roof. Windshield wipers are added to the cockpit glass. Technicians begin a full inspection of the finished aircraft. The helicopter exterior is polished and cleaned. Workers prepare the aircraft for its final testing stage. Final decals and markings are applied to the fuselage. Engineers carefully inspect the helicopter's exterior panels. Cockpit systems undergo final safety checks. Technicians inspect the rotor assembly on top of the aircraft. The tail structure is carefully examined for strength and alignment. Diagnostic equipment is connected to test the aircraft systems. The cockpit instruments power on for the first time. The rotor blades begin their first slow rotation test. Engineers monitor vibration and stability during rotor movement. The blades spin faster as the testing continues. The entire aircraft is carefully observed during the rotor test. Cockpit systems operate as engineers monitor performance data. The helicopter demonstrates stable rotor operation. The rotor gradually slows as the testing phase ends. Technicians perform the final inspection around the aircraft. workers polish the helicopter to prepare it for presentation. The completed helicopter stands proudly inside the factory. From raw metal to a powerful flying machine, this helicopter is now ready to take to the skies.